Good morning YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a little van tour. The van's 99% done, and I'm going to give you a little look around. But that's glistening now in the sun. We've got the LED light bars and whatever else put on there. We've got the roof bars up there. So yeah, it looks a million times better than what it did. I've also upgraded the bulbs to the Osram night breakers. They make a massive difference. But let me know what you think. That Raptor just tidies it right up. Like I say, compared to what it was, it tidies it right up. Let's get inside. We've got the spot on little 12-volt telly and DVD player. Again, 12 volt. Everything, all the power I use is 12 volt, but I'll link everything in the description. Diesel heater control. We've got the blinds, IKEA. I think that was £4 or £5, but they're spot on there for the price of them. Spot on, and on the sliding. But they work a treat for exactly what we need them to do. They do it, so perfect. We got the 12 volt tap switches on there, the well pump. We got the spots on. We got the little lights underneath. Plenty of storage again. And I've got the diesel heater underneath this cushion. The diesel heater's down there underneath there, and I've left that open again for plenty of storage. You can't have enough storage. And this as well is a click-clack bed, so it pulls out into a double bed. Obviously I've got my alarms, more important than anything, the carbon monoxide alarm and smoke alarm. Bit of ventilation. But yeah, that's what we got. So I'll make it short and sweet as usual. I won't show you the cab because I don't do anything in the cab. I just tidies it up, make sure it's nice and clean, and that's it. But yeah, so this is a double. Obviously with these panels out, I'm sure you've seen videos that's explained already, with the panels out, that makes it exactly 6 foot across. So that's a double bed, I can lie on there flat. And yeah, if there's anything that you've seen that you want to know where I got it from or whatever else, just comment. If I ain't already put it in the description, I will. And let me know what you think. This sun is shining, it's absolutely beautiful out here today. But as usual, it's just a quick van tour. I don't want to drag it out for 25 minutes and bore you. But yeah, this is what we got. So let me know what you think. Comment if you need anything, if you need to know anything, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.